Hello, this is Steve Sliwa, your volunteer webmaster for the TMGA website. What I'd like to talk about tonight is posting classified ads. This is a fairly popular feature in our previous website, and we sold almost $2 million worth of things once they were listed on our classifieds. Of course, other listings may have helped as well. We don't really know for sure, but it seems to be popular and a lot of people have used it. So we've done a fairly major upgrade. So let's go ahead and dig in and take a look. So if you look over at our classifieds here, you can see we have them broken down into gliders for sale, new, used, auxiliary powered sailplanes. We also have services, aircraft parts and accessories, flight instruction, ferry services, maintenance, pilot apparel, and rentals, and also wanted to buy. So those are different sections in the classified area. To add a classified ad, maneuver to the area that you want to add and an option will appear. So let's go ahead into used motor gliders here. And we're going to do a used motor glider example. And you can see it's over here. There's now an option that says um, add a new ad. So I'm going to go ahead and place that there. And it comes up with a fairly intense form. Now at this point, you should already have some photos ready and some text ready. Probably you've got it in Microsoft Word. This will save you having to type a lot of stuff into the actual web form. It's totally okay. It's a word processor kind of thing, but probably you've got some copy someplace else. So we're going to go through a couple of tricks on helping you with that. So let's go ahead. I've been doing a couple of these. So I'm going to do trial ad number 2. I'm going to change that to 3. And now I want to go ahead and paste in the formatting or paste in some text. This is a challenge because if I paste directly from Microsoft Word, it'll bring over some weird formats. It won't look like the rest of the ads and stuff. So it turns out if you come over here, and you hover, ultimately it tells you hold command and right click for more options. So I didn't do that, so I hold my command key and now I right click and it gives me paste or paste without formatting. And I'll show you, I'll just make that a little bit clearer. Oops. Okay, lost out that a bit. Here we come over here. 8, there we go. And so it says right click, which I will. It gives me paste without formatting, which I do. And now it tells me I can go ahead and get my stuff from the keyboard and put it in there. So I will. So I'm coming over here to Microsoft Word, copying my text, coming over here, pasting it in, and then I say OK. Now you can see it appears just like it's supposed to, all formatted the way the rest of the ads are. And I can go ahead and add more text, change things around. I could make, I could highlight things if I want. I can underline something if I want. So you can do any kinds of things that you want. This can be as long as you want. Now do not take advantage of drag files to attach your files. There's going to be other places for doing that, for putting your pictures in, so don't do it there. So now let's go ahead. I want to be notified for changes. And I'm going to do make and model. So I'll do Aeromot AMT 600. I'm going to do year 2007. I have the option where I can do for sale, offer pending, sold, dealer positions available, dealer in stock, services offered, wanted, or other. Also, I can put in a blank. Let's go ahead and leave it at for sale. Airport location. That's my airport. Dallsport, it's already selected here. Date of last annual is May 2015. I'm going to say call for special price, but you can also put in a number. I could put in 140,000, for example, like this. Or I could even do, or let's see, OBO, or best offer. But I'm just going to go back and do call for special price. Put in my seller's email. It turns out this is only visible for If the people are logged into the website, it won't otherwise be visible. And put in a phone number. I can do one like this. Now here's a little bit of a tricky part. You have two places to put in pictures. One is called slider photos and the other one is called header image. A header image is just the avatar-like image that appears near the top of the ad, and the slider photos are used for the Lightbox slideshow that we've installed at the bottom of your screen of the ad. So let's go ahead and take that out. So this whole area right here becomes the area that you can drag onto. So if you look over here, I'm going to grab these 6 pictures over here and I pull them over. And as soon as I hover over there, you can see the box lights up. And you can do GIF, JPEG, um, PNG, JPEG, your choice there. So I'm going to go ahead and put those in. And you can see they're uploading. Some people have a problem where they occasionally get confused between the header image and the slider photo, so I just call that to your attention. Header image will only take one image and it will make it a micro image up toward the top. The slider photos are where the slideshow appears. And you could have a special image for the header or you can reuse one. I'm going to reuse one here, so I'll just drag and put it there. And now we're done. So it looks all pretty good here. So I'm going to mark save. There's my ad. You can see here's the header image up here, just like we said. And these are the slider photos. And the way those work is if you click on one, oh, see it opens up. You've got a little thing where you can step through the pictures. You can go to full size down here, and when you're done, you can click here. But this is a good way for people to get a good view. I recommend, in the case of an airplane, having interior shots, exterior shots, different things to create appeal for your motor glider. And hopefully you can find some good pictures to have. You can come back anytime and edit your ad right here. Edit. Then you also have ad actions. You can delete it. So edit, delete, those are the things that you're allowed to do, and it only works for you. So, and now it'll appear in the list, and let's see what happens here. And here it is, trial ad number 3. There's the header title that we put in there, a little bit of information that shows up. And if you go ahead and click on this, there's the ad. So I hope you find the classifieds ad section useful. There is a guide in the guide section of the website as well if you want to go through and look at the screenshots for that. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. So long.